I've redone the sound banks on my replacement Squawk and Talk soundboard for Mr. and Mrs. Pac-Man. Soundbank 0 is now the default sound bank with the nice clear sounds, voices, and backgrounds. Soundbanks 1 and 2 now have the same sounds and voices, but different backgrounds from the Pacman Fever song. Soundbank 0 is all 3 soundbank dip switches in the off position, like here. To get to soundbank 1, turn the +1 to on.
Slow, no shot ahead. Go to Pac-Man Soccer. Go to Pac-Man Soccer. Pac-Man.
The other new background is at Soundbank 2. To get to Soundbank 2, only have the +2 dip switch on.
Slow, no shot ahead. Go to Pac-Man Saucer. Pac-Man.